it's Shania Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be watercoloring a wig pink and we're going to be installing the wig on my client. So the first things we need to get into is what we're going to use to color the hair, since this is the beginning of the video segment. So first thing, focus. First thing is some Got2b glue spray. You need this because we're going to spread this on our lace to avoid any color getting on the lace. We want to just make sure we protect those knots. Even if the water's not going to get, even if the dye is not going to get on the lace, we still want to protect it. Next, here's our bottles of dye. I'm using the brand Adore in the shade 140, and then the second color is 191. This is the wig. This is from my collection, Shania Styles collection, and it's a 613 wig and 24 inches in the texture body wave. The 613 here is really good. It also has like just a natural luster to it. Focus. Nothing too much. It is a 13x4 wig, lace front. And yeah, this is the wig that we're going to be using today. For this, you don't need boiling hot water. I literally boiled some water and then I realized I didn't boil enough water, so I just went to my sink and put my temperature all the way on hot and basically just put some water. Filled the tub up to where like I needed my water at. You don't need boiling hot water, like that's just not necessary, but you just do need hot water so that the dye attaches to the hair and sticks. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this watercolor. Now that I have the spray all sprayed on lace, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside, let this dry. You can blow dry it, but we're gonna work on our actual watercolor down here while this dries, just to, multitask and speed up the process. There's no real way that you have to do this if you basically want your wig all one color. So we're just gonna empty out each bottle. Here's how my color is looking. You want to make sure that you also kind of like move each strand through, just so you can see, make sure each strand is coated. As you can see, the hair is literally colored. So here's the color. Looking really pretty. Like this color is so pretty, and I can't wait for you guys to see how the install looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this wig air dry, and we'll be back when it's time to go ahead and install it on my client.